Eat more plants. This basic tenet for sound nutrition is well known, and the powerful health benefits that come from eating a diet rich with fruits and vegetables is also well documented. Yet only 1 in 10 adults do it. That's right, 90% of U.S. adults don't eat enough produce to reduce risks or better manage chronic disease. The reasons why vary. Many say prepping and eating fruits and vegetables is expensive or involved. Others claim plant-based meals take too much time or don't taste good. Lies. Often we see what we look for. So take a look at this. Real food. Meals bountifully and beautifully based around vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and nuts. For the past 7 years, I've shared perspectives and pictures of the food on my plate, recipes and resources to help people explore and enjoy food close to the way God put it here for us. Ways to take simple ingredients, easily and creatively combine them for nutritious and delicious meals. Now, if you have challenges with healthy eating, help is here. Pulled together in my cookbook, you'll find over 100 plant-based recipes and meal ideas, information on the background and benefits of healthy staple ingredients, produce shopping and storage tips, cooking techniques, and more. If you need to help up your diet by eating more plants, get the inspiration and information you need in this produce primer. You can read this cookbook like an informative textbook, then get in the kitchen and put it to use for yourself and share this information with your kids. Learn more about food that is good for you and good to you. It's here for you in the Veganish Cookbook. Simple, delicious, plant-based recipes and resources for everyone. Order your copy today.